I did want to add, make sure anyways, make sure that you reconnect the battery, because honestly I would have forgotten if it was not mentioned. Okay.
Y'all ready?
Ready? Oh, forgot to mention, we're gonna try and start it right now. So here goes. Okay. Hi everybody. So here we are. Everything's already put back in place, minus like a few little minor things. We didn't show you guys how to put everything back together, because we did show you guys how to take everything apart, and it's basically the same thing, just reversed. But anyway, so now we're gonna change the oil filter, and we're gonna put new oil in it, and then we're gonna do coolant as well. Well, actually, we're gonna do water first to see if it was leaking, and then if not, then we're gonna actually put the coolant in. So for the BMWs, the filter and everything's actually on top, which was weird to me. So here's the little cap, and then so what we're gonna do, the filter brought this little, I don't know if you guys can see this little O-ring down here, is for the bottom, and then this one is for right here. So when you go take this one off, I used a little screwdriver to get it up, because it was a little hard for me to do it without it. So we're gonna take this one out, just gonna put it on the floor, and then we're gonna put this new one in. Probably should have opened it before. Okay, so that's in, and then we're gonna take the filter. Doesn't matter which one.
No.
And we're gonna take the filter, and then we're gonna, okay, that kind of hurted. We're gonna do that, and then we're gonna put it right back in here. Pause. Okay, so after a certain point, you can't like push it down anymore with your own hands, so you're gonna have to take one of these. This is a 36 millimeter thing, and then so we're just gonna put it up here, and then you're gonna tighten just a little bit. Okay, now we're gonna put some oil in it, and we got a funnel right here, and make sure your funnel is clean, because we don't want some debris or whatever going in here.
What oil do we got?
Oh, we got WD-30. Does 5 matter?
5W30.
I said WD, what the?
Yeah, I have no idea.
What in the world?
And then in order to find the oil and things like that for it, we usually just look at the books that are on at AutoZone. Same for the filter.
No, okay, just so you know, this takes 7 quarters, which is $1.45.
Quarters. Quarters.
I know, I was joking.
Oh. Okay, start.
Wait, is it $1.45? It is. Anyways, it's 7 quarts of oil that this takes. Alright, and then now we're gonna check the oil. Jeez Louise. Which you can't really see it, but I'll like. And that's good. Oh.
You gotta, girl, you gotta hold it like right here.
Oh, I can't see it.
Oh my god, you're really bad at this. Okay.
I don't know. This thing just kept going. I did want to add, make sure. Anyways, make sure that you reconnect the battery, because honestly, I would have forgotten if it was not mentioned. Okay.
Y'all ready?
Ready? Oh, forgot to mention, we're gonna try and start it right now. So here goes. Okay.
Yeah,
Holy cow. I'm shaking.